Dear friends, today I'll be sharing a new tip, that is the new update given by Google for all its users for Google Meet. So here I'm starting a new meeting from my account, and here you can see this is the new layout of Google Meet. All the controls have been given at the bottom in the center. This is the meeting information, the meeting link which you can share with your participants, the time. Then all the controls that were previously scattered somewhere at the top, somewhere in the center, somewhere in the other corners of the screen have now been presented in the center. This is your mute and mute, as you know. This is your camera on and off, caption. In the caption, you can choose the language, and captions have been turned on. English is the language. Now you can switch it off. This is the hand raise button, present screen. As earlier it was given, entire screen can be presented, window can be presented, or a tab can be presented. Then we have the controls here, that is whiteboard, record meeting, change layout, full screen. Okay. To exit the full screen, just press escape button. Then change background, as you know. From here you can change the background of your meeting, any background that you want for your meeting that you can apply. And other such settings which were scattered earlier in the earlier version. Then you can choose the settings for host controls. Okay. Then this is the button for leaving the meeting. You can see now it has been set apart. Leave call and the mute and mute. So these are distance apart. So this feature or this update has been rolled out as a recent update by Google Meet. It is available free for all the users. You may or may not be having this feature right now. This is rolled by Google Meet on zonal basis. So after some time, you may be having this feature available for you. If it is not available, you may check for the extensions also. If there are any extensions installed, try to disable those extensions from this icon here, and after disabling the extensions, all these features may be available for you. Then the next icon that you see here is the usual total number of participants which are present in your meeting, and from here you can select all these things. Then chat window and activities. Under the activities tab, we are having two options, recording and whiteboarding. Whiteboarding will take you to Google Jamboard, and recording will record the session. In Enterprise Edition, there are three more options which are available here. Right now I am having G Suite basic version, so it is giving me only two options. In normal free accounts, it will only show you the whiteboarding. Recording will not be there. That means for Gmail users. Then this is for host controls. That means you want to allow your participants to share their screen, or you do not want them to share their screen. Send chat messages or do not send the chat messages by your participants. So all these features have been enhanced. Now let me show you one more thing which is very important. Suppose I want to let me open a tab. And I want to show a tab to my users. And now if I go to my Meet again, see, earlier we had to control, we had to change the option by which we could see what we are presenting. But here in the new version, we can easily see what we are presenting to our users, and our screen will be pinned to the bottom or on the screen itself. So we can say we have an access to the presented content as well as the camera. Earlier it was showing only in the rectangle that you are presenting to everyone, but now it is also showing me the presented content. So here my screen is coming, my picture is coming as a in pip mode, and the presented content is displayed on the screen. It is a very good feature. Earlier it was not present in the Meet. So with these new updates, I think Google has set to rule out the presentation world, the conference world, and I hope this presentation of mine is useful for you. The new features, try to explore these and get acquainted before the new session, before the classes begin for your students. Thank you so much.